Hey everybody, meteorologist Pete Mangione along with Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca. Tony, we have ourselves a storm this weekend.
Yeah, Pete, we've been talking about this off camera. What makes it so tricky is that it's not an all snow situation. It's snow. It's a little bit of everything. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain, and that'll dictate, just how much snow falls, but it's not an all snow situation.
Absolutely. So we're going to let Tony get back to work and crunch the numbers.
Tell him what we got.
Yeah, absolutely. Tony's in about 5,000 teases and is being pulled in about 10,000 different directions before the newscast starts, so we'll let him get to it. Generally, we're going to start as all snow. That would be late Saturday night into Sunday morning. Could be from some very heavy snowfall rates, so an initial pretty good thump of snow. Then we change over to sleet, maybe some freezing rain on Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon, and then notice the cold air kind of spilling in behind the storm Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, so we could have one last round of snow, and also temperatures could come crashing down. That could mean some issues with a flash freeze or freezing rain and some icy roads on Sunday night. All right, so I just want to show you quickly sort of the different models we've been looking at, and this is just an example of how different they are right now. This is a Sunday morning snapshot of what one of the computer models thinks. It thinks upper 40s in Providence, low 50s in Newport. Don't assume that is what's going to happen. We just want to show you the idea that the models are still kind of diverging on what they think in terms of the atmosphere. We're leaning a little bit more closely towards the slightly colder solution. You could see this model says, no, we're going to be around freezing 7 a.m. on Sunday morning, which could obviously support some snow, freezing rain, and things like that. So we'll continue to update the forecast. Obviously, the type of precipitation that falls will have a huge impact on how much snow we're expecting. Generally, this is what we're looking at right now, 3 to 6 inches for most of the area, maybe 6 to 10 for extreme northern Rhode Island and northern Bristol County, 1 to 3 along the south coast. As we always say, these amounts are subject to change as we look at more data throughout the weekend. Thanks for watching.